Step 1, Introduction to Bitcoin Mining. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of getting started with Bitcoin mining. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to expand your knowledge, this tutorial is designed to help you understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin mining. Step 2, Understand the basics of Bitcoin mining. Learn what Bitcoin mining is, how it works, and why it is essential for the operation and security of the Bitcoin network. We'll cover topics such as proof of work, blockchain, and the role of miners in validating transactions. Step 3, Get a Bitcoin wallet. Before you begin mining, you'll need a secure Bitcoin wallet to store your earnings. We'll explain different types of wallets, their features, and help you choose the one that suits your needs. Step 4, Select the right hardware. Discover the hardware options available for Bitcoin mining, including CPUs, GPUs, and specialized ASIC miners. We'll discuss their pros and cons, hashing power, energy efficiency, and cost considerations to help you make an informed decision. If at any time, during this video, you'd like more information on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining, click the link in the description. Step 5, Join a mining pool. Learn about mining pools and the advantages they offer for small-scale miners. We'll guide you through the process of selecting and joining a reliable mining pool. Ensuring a more consistent income stream. Step 6, Install mining software. We'll walk you through the process of installing mining software on your computer or mining rig. Explore popular mining software options, their configuration settings, and how to optimize them for better performance. Step 7, Join a Bitcoin mining network. Connect your mining hardware to a Bitcoin mining network. We'll explain how to set up your mining rig and establish a stable connection to maximize your mining efficiency. Step 8, Configure your mining settings. Fine-tune your mining settings to achieve optimal results. We'll discuss important factors like hash rate, power consumption, and temperature management, ensuring your mining operation runs smoothly. Step 9, Understand mining payouts. Learn about mining payouts, rewards, and how they are distributed in mining pools. We'll explain different payout methods and help you calculate potential earnings based on your mining setup. Step 10, Implement mining security measures. Ensure the security of your mining operation by following best practices. We'll cover topics such as securing your wallet, protecting against malware, and safeguarding your private keys. Step 11, Monitor and maintain your mining operation. Learn how to monitor your mining operation's performance, troubleshoot common issues, and perform routine maintenance tasks to keep your hardware running efficiently. Step 12, Stay updated with the latest developments. Stay informed about the latest trends and advancements in the Bitcoin mining industry. We'll provide resources and tips on how to stay up to date with news, software updates, and hardware innovations. Step 13, Consider energy costs and environmental impact. Understand the energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining and explore ways to optimize your setup for energy efficiency. We'll also discuss the environmental impact of mining and possible mitigations. Step 14, Scale your mining operation. If you're looking to expand your mining operation, we'll provide insights on scaling up, including adding more hardware, joining larger mining pools, and exploring cloud mining options. Step 15, Conclusion and next steps. In this final step, we'll summarize the key points covered in this guide and offer suggestions for further exploration. Bitcoin mining can be a rewarding venture, and with the knowledge gained, so, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Alright, first things first. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain, a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Miners, like you and me, use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, we're rewarded with new Bitcoins. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive into the steps. 1. Get the right equipment. To get started with Bitcoin mining, you'll need some equipment. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a computer with a good processor and sufficient RAM. It's best to use a desktop computer rather than a laptop. Graphics processing unit, GPU. A powerful GPU is essential for efficient mining. Look for GPUs with high hash rates, as they can solve mathematical problems faster. Mining software. You'll need mining software to connect your computer to the Bitcoin network and start mining. Popular options include CG Miner, Easy Miner, and Bitminter. 2. Create a Bitcoin wallet. Now that we have the equipment ready, it's time to set up a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is like a digital bank account that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoins. You can choose from various wallet options, such as mobile wallets, desktop wallets, or online wallets. Remember to keep your wallet secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Step 3. Join a mining pool. Bitcoin mining is a competitive process, and it's difficult to mine Bitcoins alone, so it's best to join a mining pool, a group of miners who work together and share the rewards. By joining a pool, you increase your chances of earning Bitcoins regularly. Some popular mining pools include Slush Pool, F2 Pool, and Ant Pool. Simply sign up, create an account, and follow their instructions to connect your mining software to the pool. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, click the link in the description. Step 4. Start mining. It's time to start mining. Launch your mining software and enter the necessary details, such as your mining pool's address and your wallet address. Once you're connected, the mining software will use your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems secure the Bitcoin network and verify transactions. Step 5. Monitor and withdraw your earnings. While your computer is busy mining, keep an eye on your mining software for updates on your progress. Mining Bitcoins takes time, so be patient. Once you accumulate a certain amount of Bitcoins in your mining pool account, you can withdraw them to your Bitcoin wallet. Remember, you can convert Bitcoins to your local currency or use them for online purchases. Step 6. Stay informed and adapt. Bitcoin mining is a dynamic field, and it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments. Join online communities, read news, and follow reliable sources to stay updated. Additionally, as technology advances, mining difficulty may increase, and you may need to upgrade your equipment to stay competitive. And that's it, folks. You now have a basic understanding of how to get into Bitcoin mining. Remember, it's essential to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and start with realistic expectations. Bitcoin mining can be an exciting and rewarding adventure. So if you are looking for more detailed steps, click the link in the description. So, grab your gear, put on your mining hat, and start your journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more informative videos on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology. Stay tuned for our next video where we delve deeper into the exciting world of digital currencies. Until next time, happy mining.